A prospective study on 2,000 Californian youth found that e-cigarette use, increasingly prevalent at 15%, is associated with respiratory symptoms including shortness of breath, wheezing, and bronchitis. Even after adjusting for asthma history, tobacco or cannabis use, and passive exposure, the elevated risk for these symptoms remains significant. As vaping gains popularity among adolescents and young adults, clinicians should consider it as a potential cause for otherwise unexplained respiratory issues. This highlights the importance of routinely inquiring about vaping habits when evaluating patients with recurrent respiratory symptoms.